Hi guys, welcome back, and my name is Vidy, and if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like though, but let's get past through that. So yeah, today's video is about my new camera that showed up in the mail. It just finally came in the mail. Like, I'm just a bit impatient at times, when it comes something in the mail, you're so excited, and then it's just, when is it coming, when is it coming, when is it coming. But it finally came, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick unboxing, like pretty much rip it apart moment, that feeling when you get out of the mail. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that right now with Jonathan too, because he's the one that got super excited when I told him it showed up in the mail this morning. So I'm gonna show you guys our unboxing quick video.
I rip open. This is it. That's all you guys get to see. Thank you. It's a waterproof, full HD 1080p. A sports cam.
Yep. That's what I asked for.
It's good for road trips, good for outdoor sports, for swimming, diving, and home. And flying. You can connect this to a drone. You can see. This is beautiful. Very beautiful camera.
It's a $400 value on their website, and their website is I'm not even remember, but it's under this description. I know it says camera. Activcamera, there you go. Take me a minute. It's from activcamera.com. This took me a good minute, but they emailed me saying that it does take me a while to compare to their actual customers, which is kind of, but it only took me a month for this to show up from China. You guys wonder, where is it coming from? China. There you go. There's the camera. Size of my palm. It already came in with this case, which is a waterproof case for this clear one. You could take it off, I'm pretty sure. No details of it.
These are extra pieces you can give for it.
This kind of charger, like an Android charger. These are other pieces we could also purchase from them.
Yep. This is how it all goes.
All the ways to use it.
Yep.
Now we've unboxed it all. I've just charged it. This was the wrapper for it. Here's the box. That's all it came in. And it came in with their little directions in it, as you saw already in the other video. But this is what it shows. Just flip it over. It shows here directions in the camera, and then here is other devices, pieces that you could use as well for your camera. Then it shows here, of course, sports camera. Comes with a little charger. It's actually not a big charger. It's like little length charger. Like this. I'll show you guys. That's all it is. It's gonna connect it on a cube, power cube box, and it's an Android kind of charger. If you guys have seen it though, I'm not gonna just show it over again. So once I got it charged, so this is the part I need to like get to know is once I got it charged, now I'm able to turn it on. So this is what it looks like after turning it on. Pretty nice, doesn't it? Now let's get it apart. I'm going to show you guys what you do to take it apart. So this is the waterproof case for it, just the case in the camera's in it. So to take it apart is, for those who are still wondering how to take it apart, is as you can see right here is a switch. And then when I pull a switch, at the same time I gotta pull this part forward. As long as I have the switch pulling that direction. And it goes forward and it comes off. Okay. And there you go. There's your guys' camera. That's what we asked. And this is just the case. That's all it has. So this is the power button. This is just the OK button. Here are the usually like the up and down buttons, selection buttons. And it's a 1080p, but the retail price is $400. But for people who are ambassadors, would cost $20 just the shipping price. And let me just turn this on. You hold it on. To turn on, you have to hold on at least 3 to 5 seconds. Turn off the same way, 3 to 5 seconds. It made a noise. It's on, as you can see. I'm going to turn it off, 3 to 5 seconds, right here actually. And I'll show you guys from what it shows when I turn on the button in 3 to 5 seconds. It has a little introduction. And then when I want to turn it off, goodbye. But let's just go turn it back on right now. So this is what you be seeing. As you can see, myself ain't that bad for it. So, and to be able to go settings, I have to press the button mode, the power button, to change camera mode or just to slide. All from the power button. So right here, settings, video, as you can tell, camera changes there. And then this is just what I've recorded so far from it and from setting mode. As you can see, you could change the date. Just press down. Date, motion detection, cyclic cyclic record. I'm here not even knowing it. Has the audio, EV, resolution, fast view, delay pictures, delete section, lock section, volume section, format, language settings, auto, and I think that's how it starts off after that. There's a lot of things in it. There you go. Now it's back to point from the very beginning. But what I need is to set up the date, which I'm not gonna do that right now, the video. I mean, I can show you guys later on once I've set it up, the date. But this is just how you work it. So let's just go back to home. Right now it's on recording. I'm gonna record myself and I am gonna give you guys a difference of recording that's in this video right now and recording myself with this one right now. So I'm gonna press record from up here, and it's recording. It's recording me, and then when I turn it off, just turn it off. Just gonna put this back in here. I am showing you guys my two perspective of my smartphone camera and compared to my cameras, the Activcamera 2. And it's recording me, and then when I turn it off, just turn it off. But overall, for my first review for this video is, I don't think it's not as bad as for my price I had to spend on, which was $20 for it. I think it's well worth for $20, even though it did took a 1 month shipping. It'd be nice if we also had a faster shipping mode, as in like a 2-day shipping or a week shipping, or it'd be nice if they were able to do their part on giving us a tracking number. I mean, I did understand that they did email me and notify me it will take 3 to 5 weeks for us compared to our customers. But other than that, I do believe this is still well worth it. I mean, but for $400, I don't think it's worth for $400 though. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's a good one. Yes, it's good. I like how this came with it though. I feel like this is like the most expensive than this camera, if we were to say it. But this could have been more cheaper than $400. I do say I could see it happening on this little camera though. But other than that, let me just turn that off. I'm here getting so into this camera though. Other than that, I thank you guys for coming by and trying to find out the whole story mode about this. People say it's a scam. Maybe the price is a scam, but other than everything else, it should come through. They gave me a tracking number a bit late. Yes, they've still got me on mail. I kept track on it on the tracking number. It did show up on the day it should. When it was saying, it took me like, I do like the buttons for these, the case protector. Well, they're all, if I were to give it a review for it, I would review it for like either a 3 or 4 star, just the fact that there was no problems coming in the mail, or there was no problems with anything wrong with it. And the quality, it looks decent. It doesn't look too cheap. It doesn't look too expensive. The camera quality view looks okay. But thank you guys for coming by though, and don't forget to subscribe and like, because I'll be doing more videos like these. I do vlogging videos, I do review videos, I do challenges videos, and I do painting videos. But if you guys are really interested in these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up so I can know to be able to understand what you guys are more into, and to staying on the video with me and staying connected with me. And I appreciate you guys for still sticking up and staying by my side and supporting me though. But I'll be making more videos, and if you guys have any requests of wanting me to do a review, I'll be willing to try and do a review for that as soon as I can. But other than that, I'll see you guys on my next video.